Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you the first look at a much anticipated modern prefab coming to North America. It's well known and very well documented that home prices are extremely high right now, and as a result, there's a lot of interest in more affordable options. It's been interesting to watch companies come out with their own version of affordability while trying to hit the sweet spot on price, features, and design. Lately, it's been a bit of a moving target because the cost to build has been steadily increasing, taking home prices with it, and from what I can see, people don't think we're at the top just yet. I set a poll on the community section of my channel asking where people thought prices would be in 6 months, and 43% voted prices would be a lot higher, which I defined as more than 10%, and another 27% said they thought they would be a little bit higher. So 70% of people who responded think prices are going up further. It's a very wild time in the construction industry. The good news is there are still companies fighting the good fight, and this is a home I've been waiting to see for a while now because the last time I featured the company, I used all renderings in the video and a few people were ticked off about it. Oops. The company I'm talking about is called Nestron, and they've just released their first full look at their Legend 2 model built for the United States. What I'm going to do is tell you a bit about the company, show you their Legend 2, and let you know the price, so let's do it. For anyone who hasn't heard of Nestron, they're based in Singapore and call themselves a new generation of tiny living. Each of their homes is fully prefabricated, delivered ready to live with built-in furniture, a smart home system, and delivery worldwide. The model home in today's video will be landing in Vancouver, which is only about 5 hours from where I'm currently sitting, so hopefully I'll be able to check it out in person when it arrives. What they've got is two very distinct series of homes: the futuristic Cube series, which has a look unlike anything else currently on the market, and the modern Legend series that looks closer to what we're used to seeing. The smallest of their lineup is the Legend 1 at around 156 square feet, with a base price currently listed at $34,000 to $54,290. Keep in mind that's accurate at the time of posting this video, but as we've seen with the entire industry over the last couple of years, prices can change. I've been in contact with Nestron to find out a bit more of what they're up to now and how they'll operate going forward. One thing I see in the comments quite frequently, not specific to this company, is it's difficult to get a home right now. A lot of companies are taking deposits, but it's unclear when you'll actually be able to get a home. Nestron has homes ready to be shipped right now. They're currently finalizing dates and are hopeful that homes will start shipping to their respective countries in the second quarter of this year, which is only about 2 weeks away. They have a production capacity of roughly 1,000 homes per year, with the ability to add shifts and ramp up to around 1,500 homes per year depending on demand. Think about that for a second. 1,500 homes per year. We aren't talking about doodads or fidget spinners, folks. Homes. And that's a lot of them. Arguably the most important thing I've been wondering is if Nestron planned to have technicians stateside for anyone that needed to make a warranty claim. The response I got was, yes, we will, even prior to our arrival in North America. If our clients require warranty claims and if they're eligible for it, Nestron will bear the repair costs for them. That's an important fact to know about any prefab home company. Let's check out the Legend 2. One look at either series from Nestron and it's pretty obvious they're doing things different. These aren't the typical prefab manufactured modular or even tiny home that we're used to seeing. In my experience, doing anything different than what the masses are used to seeing is going to be polarizing, so I'm interested to see what people think of the Nestron Legend 2. One thing I like about this unit is it comes completely finished. There is no setup required. It's unloaded off the truck, the services are connected, and away you go. The Legend 2 is 27 feet long by just under 10 feet wide for a total floor space of around 274 square feet. They describe it as the next level of spaciousness and coziness while maintaining its modern design. It inherits a seamless connection between stylish design and classical elements. Grand windows are built in to provide natural light flow, allowing you to enjoy the scenery at your doorstep. I like the look of the exterior, and even though it isn't as futuristic as the Cube series, it's still more futuristic than most. Speaking of looks, I always group Nestron in with roombus and boxable because I think they all fit into a new category of homes that doesn't even really have a name yet. They aren't necessarily tiny homes in the traditional sense of the word, and they're different than the manufactured and modular homes that we're used to seeing. If anyone has a good name for this subset of factory-built housing, put it in the comments down below and maybe it'll stick. I'm going to throw Fu Man homes into the hat, like a combination of futuristic and manufactured. So stupid. The model shown does have the optional solar panels on the roof, which can be seen from the drone shot, AC, and heated floor, so it's very well equipped with extra options. Let's check out the interior. The folks over at Nestron packed a lot into 274 square feet. It's actually quite impressive. Believe it or not, there are 2 beds and 1 bathroom in the home with a split layout resulting in bedrooms at either end. The second bedroom doesn't appear to have a door, so maybe we call it a bedroom and a half. One of the first things I noticed about the interior of the home was the color. It's very orange. That isn't going to be for everyone, but certainly not a reason to freak out because it says right on their website that color changes are available. The kitchen is beside the living room and they have implemented space-saving designs to utilize a small space for multiple purposes. For example, the table folds down when needed, converting the living space into a dining area when you want to use it for that purpose. It's tough to fit a chef's kitchen in 270 some odd square feet. It would take up way too much of the home, completely defeating the purpose, so they've gone with a more compact option. There's an electric cooktop, fridge, sink, and some extra counter space, which for me would be plenty, but let the record state I'm certainly no Gordon Ramsay. A feature I really like about all of the homes from Nestron is they come with the furniture included, so you don't have to shell out more cake as soon as the home arrives. The home comes with a dining table, sofa, built-in beds, a wardrobe, and built-in cabinets. I'm definitely a fan of how many windows are on the L2. They've got them placed on every side of the home to let natural light into the entire space. At this point in the video, the question on everyone's mind is usually how much scratch will I need to acquire one of these homes? And that's a fair question. The model shown that will be heading this direction shortly is $93,370, and that includes shipping and everything included in that home, like the solar panels. The base price for the same home without solar panels and all the other upgrades and no shipping starts at $55,600. And if that isn't what you're looking to pay, just keep in mind they do have homes for less and more, so there are other options available. Nestron is getting ready to ship their lineup of small footprint, off-site constructed homes worldwide. I don't know about you, but I was excited to see that they dropped a video of one of their homes built to ship to North America because I've been curious to see what these things would actually look like. I think there's going to be a lot of appeal for buyers who are interested in the futuristic look. I'm hoping to see the model in person and have asked them to let me know when it's in Vancouver, and if that happens, I will be sure to post a video right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.